The journey of cornflakes does not begin inside a factory, but in massive cornfields where the crop is grown and harvested after months of farming. After harvesting, the corn kernels are collected and transported to processing facilities where their industrial transformation officially begins.
Keep it steady. Fill her up, boys. Load's looking good. Let's get moving. You got it. See you at the facility.
Inside the factory, raw corn is stored in giant silos to ensure a continuous supply for the production line.
The kernel count is looking good.
Let's proceed with the moisture analysis. Check the protein levels on the other batch.
Before processing starts, the corn is carefully cleaned to remove dust and unwanted particles for food safety. Here, an industrial washing system thoroughly cleans the corn kernels, an important step in maintaining hygiene standards. After soaking, the corn kernels absorb moisture, which helps create the ideal texture for further processing.
Baterimy pradėjome po 4 непомічені контрактугах вчасно ґрунтові творзи найспобліші три. Бромки пізатів і...
Keep an eye on the pressure valve. Maintaining the current flow. Good, everything looks on schedule.
The weights are stabilizing. Ready the belt. Initiating dispense. Dropping now.
Automatic measuring systems add every ingredient in precise quantities because even a small imbalance can affect the final taste.
The corn looks perfectly hydrated and ready for the rollers. Adjust the pressure on feeder 1.
These giant industrial cookers prepare the corn under controlled heat and pressure, helping develop the cereal's texture. Advanced computerized systems monitor the entire cooking process to make sure every batch maintains the same quality.
The corn mixture is perfectly heated and ready.
Excellent.
Excellent. Maintain the current temperature for packaging.
Industrial blending machines evenly combine all ingredients to create a consistent flavor throughout the cereal.
The consistency is perfect. We are ready to initiate the extrusion process.
Agreed. Everything appears to be within specifications. Proceed with the transfer.
Now the processed corn is ready for the next major stage where it will be transformed into crispy cornflakes. Heavy steel rollers flatten the processed corn, creating the thin signature shape that cornflakes are known for. As the flakes emerge from the machine, the familiar cornflake structure begins to appear, although the product is not fully finished yet.
Sample A looks consistent. Let's verify the thickness with the caliper.
Reading is 2.15 millimeters. Uniformity confirmed.
The texture looks excellent. The color is within specified parameters. We're good to go.
This entire production line operates continuously and can produce massive quantities of cornflakes every minute. The cornflakes now enter an industrial toaster where heat completely transforms both their texture and flavor. During toasting, the flakes gradually develop their golden color, which becomes an important part of their final appearance. Perfectly toasted cornflakes exit the system with a balanced roast and the crisp texture consumers expect.
The color is consistent with a perfect golden toast, examining for structural integrity and any signs of or imperfection.
Freshly toasted cornflakes are immediately transferred to the cooling section, so their crispness can properly stabilize.
Ensure the belt speed is calibrated for the new batch.
Confirmed. System active.
Quality control teams carefully inspect the texture because the perfect crunch is extremely important in the cereal industry.
The texture analysis shows a perfect crunch rating. Excellent. Let's send the results.
Modern factories also use AI vision systems capable of automatically detecting defective cereal products. At the packaging stage, automated machines hygienically seal the cornflakes to preserve freshness for a long time. The sealed cereal bags are packed into branded boxes that later appear as finished retail products in stores. After leaving the factory, the products are stored in massive warehouses before being distributed across different regions. Finally, the packaged cornflakes arrive on supermarket shelves where customers purchase them for everyday breakfast. And in the end, those simple corn grains have transformed into a crispy breakfast bowl. If you enjoy the process, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.